What's up, world? What's up, YouTube, Telegram, Discord, wherever you at? This video is about how to trade with momentum and make $200 a day. All right. First, I want to give a shout out to Creative for More for the T-shirt, Master Trader. Thank you so much. You guys did an amazing job. Shout out to my Wolves of Wall Street, me and John's Trading Group. We are going to change the name pretty soon, probably this week. Be on the lookout for that. So for what you click on the video for is this. So we trade, we have videos on momentum, how we trade with the market cipher, we trade an oscillator, right? We added a new tool, which is this called the BBT. Let me do this so you can see it right there, BBPT, right? So you're gonna need, if you wanna trade with us, probably a higher package trading view because to have all the indicators, you have to have probably the premium, which that's what I have. So let's get started. This is something we always look for. If we're buying, no momentum came down, green dot, and this one shot up 40 pips, and it just went straight up. Nice momentum, boom. It was perfectly landed on the VWAP, the Bollinger Band basis, and some EMAs. It sat perfectly. Now, this one here, right, shot up, retested. It didn't go up till this candle. This tool would have told you. So I was back testing this, right? And I noticed, what I've been noticing is, yeah, the green goes up, the red goes down, but the key is these bars here, like the MACD here, right? So there's a zero line here. So when it goes at least above one or close to one, like this was a little bit above one or close to it right here, right? And then you look for your entry. So we had that green dot and it shot up. Where this one, right? This was low. This was a low bar. Like it was bullish and it retested back down. So the stronger it is with a green dot close by or a red dot, it's more powerful. So I got some more examples too. So this is US 30, one of my favorite pairs to trade, right? Now, there was two cells here. There was a red dot here and a red dot here. So what's nice is if we zoom in, right, this one was in between the VWAP and EMA. That's consolidation. I don't like to really trade that, but it eventually did go down. Now, if you look here, right, it's not even a whole digit. It's negative 0.4. It wasn't that powerful. Now here, this thing, look, over one, negative, strong, and look at that. This is 29,3472. That's 470 pips on certain brokers like Hugo's Way right there. You know what I mean? And then you look over here, red dot right there. It sat under the EMAs, perfect. Price crossed through, actually. The EMAs crossed through price. This was a nice selling opportunity too. Even if you got in this candle, 29,268. That's 400 pips on that candle too alone, and you could have held it for 400 more pips right there. Look how big these bars are. It lets you know. So if you see a bar that's big with the right conditions, it's a great entry. Let's look at Bitcoin. Right? Bitcoin pulling back, right? So VWAP, EMAs, Bollinger Band basis, price is hitting under. So we're looking bearish, right? But let's say you was here. You got in here for a sell. It retested. And this is an hour chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got in here, you waited 5 hours for a nice drop. Not bad, right? But if you look at our conditions, right, we wanted a red dot with no momentum up. So we're looking over here. But look, we didn't have these big bars yet. So we still would have been waiting. This retested. This would have faked some people out. But as soon as this bar came, boom, this was, so 18,427. So this was almost a 300 pip move on this candle alone. Even if you didn't snipe it, it went down to, oh my God, it went down to 700 pips real quick. Not bad. Gold. So what did I see here on gold? Gold, okay. So this is a 5-minute chart now. So I gave you different time frames when I was going through them. So gold, right over here, we had a nice bar here. There was a green dot here with no momentum down. Look at this, 1868. This one candle, wait, where are we? 60 pips, this one candle, and it kept going to 1879, 111 pips in like 20 minutes, I'll say. So this is pretty powerful. So I say use this for your, like if you're triggering, like for your entries, to help you get in entries, you know what I mean? Because some people, a lot of new people, they're in a trade and it's like, oh man, I was in profit, I'm out of profit. I don't know if I should hold. You know, this can help you guys, you know what I'm saying? I saw something else too in my group, going to Ripple, because Ripple went nuts this weekend. I'm gonna go to the weekly chart. Let's see. So when it comes to crypto, right? Hopefully you guys are still watching this video because this is a lot of information here. But crypto, the candles close every day at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So everybody's in different time zones, but Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. is when the candle closes. Especially the weekly candle closes today. It prints every Sunday at that time also. So last Sunday, right, we had this candle close and print. It printed this big thing on the weekly, because look here, look at the weekly here. It hasn't been really printing that much. This printed last Sunday. We had this green dot come the Sunday before that, right? That a move was coming to Ripple, right? I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't watching Ripple, but if I had this indicator, I would have longed the shit out this thing, man, because this thing nearly doubled this week. It was 25 cents. Each penny Ripple goes up is a pip if you're forex trading it, or you could have just bought a whole bunch and held and still made a lot of money. So to go up 20 cents from 25 cents or 26 cents is 20,000 pips. Come on, man. Come on. So like this indicator was pretty powerful. So I'm gonna conclude the video there. I'm gonna be working on some other stuff with it, as far as like, because you could set alerts with it, right? I'm not sure yet what this stuff means, which I'll show you guys here. The nibble, bull trend, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna set these alerts. Oh, I think this is it right here. Bull and bear trend histogram. I gotta play with it and see, so I can make another video about the alerts and how to set them, because this is a good entry indicator. That's what I'm gonna call it, for the momentum. If you have all the right conditions and then that comes up, and what's cool, it doesn't reprint like some indicators either. When it prints, it's there. But I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I'm gonna leave a link to an email for Wolf of Wall Street if you want to join the group, our trading group. It's $20 a month or $200 for life. So I will have the link in the description for the email. Just email us and we'll get back to you within 3 business days. All right. Talk to you guys soon.